Welcome back to my channel, my Bonafide Peeps. Let's explore more on customer service skills for your house cleaning business. These customer service skill points in this video can also be used and modified for the use of any service businesses that you may want to start. Customer service skills are crucial for running a successful house cleaning business or any other service business because your relationship with clients will directly impact their satisfaction and loyalty. So, since we want to get and keep our clients, let's dig a little deeper on this topic. Here's how strong customer service can help and some tips for improving it. Why customer service matters. Client retention. Satisfied clients are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your services to others. Excellent customer service helps build trust and long-term relationships. Positive reviews and referrals. In the service business, reviews and word of mouth are powerful. Happy customers often share their experiences, which can lead to more business. Handling special requests. Clients may ask for customized services or have specific cleaning preferences. Being able to listen, understand, and deliver on these requests adds value to your service. Resolving issues. Sometimes clients may be unhappy with certain aspects of the service. Having the ability to address concerns calmly and professionally can turn a potential negative into a positive experience. Key customer service skills. Active listening. Pay close attention to client needs and expectations. This could mean listening to their preferences, like which areas to focus on, or understanding specific concerns they may have about their home. Active listening shows clients that you value their input. Example: I have some clients that ask to not have their office work desk cleaned. Some clients prefer that I use the cleaning products they provide. Some have indoor cats only and request that I make sure to not leave the door or screen door open where the cats can get out. Some request that I give certain rooms more cleaning attention than other rooms, or they would ask if I can please deposit the check, payment for cleaning, that very same day after cleaning. Zelle made payments so much easier for both my clients and myself, but some still prefer to use checks. Listening and noting these details ensures you deliver exactly what they want. Clear communication. Be transparent about your services, pricing, and availability. Ensure clients know what to expect from the start and keep them informed about any changes. Good communication builds trust. Example: before starting a job, I explain what the service includes and confirm the details with the client to ensure we're both on the same page. I type a worksheet paper that details what will be cleaned in every room, and when I go do an estimate, I give them one of the worksheets. I can use the worksheet even for customized cleaning, because I just cross out what rooms they don't need to clean. When I advertise on Thumbtack, I just copy and paste my worksheet that details what will be cleaned in every room along with the pricing when I reply back to my potential client. Problem solving. Be prepared to handle any issues that arise, whether it's a scheduling conflict or dissatisfaction with a particular job. Offering quick and effective solutions shows professionalism and keeps clients happy. Example: don't let this get to your head. Don't be too hard on yourself. If a client feels an area wasn't cleaned to their expectations, offer to revisit and fix the problem at no additional cost. This shows that you prioritize quality and customer satisfaction. Empathy and patience. Some clients may be very particular about how they want things done, or they may have special circumstances, like allergies to certain products. Being empathetic and patient will help you provide personalized service that caters to their needs. Example: if a client expresses concerns about using harsh chemicals due to health reasons, showing empathy and suggesting eco-friendly alternatives will make them feel valued and understood. You can even learn of homemade cleaning products, like vinegar and Dawn dish soap, to remove soap scum off the bathroom bath or tub area. Patience is also key. My second client wanted just a one-time cleaning because they were going to have a party, but their regular cleaner was on vacation for a couple of months. The husband was home, and he kept complaining that we were taking too long cleaning his house because we were too thorough, but he appreciated how we cleaned his tiles throughout his house. We just kept politely apologizing for taking too much time, but we did an excellent job. He paid us and let us know right away. Even though we clean very well, he will not hire us again. I told him I understood because his time is very important, but told him that we appreciate that he let us finish and made us be able to do an excellent job for them. 2 weeks passed by, and his wife called me and told me that they were talking things and preferred us to clean for them. Our detailed cleaning kept their house still clean even after the party and even after 2 weeks have passed. She loved my patience with her husband, and even though he was rude to us, they appreciated how patient we were. We cleaned for them for over 8 years until they retired and moved out of California. Plus, they tip us greatly after every cleaning. Professionalism. Always maintain a professional demeanor from your interactions to your appearance. Being punctual, respectful, and consistent helps you build a strong reputation. Example: arriving on time, dressing appropriately, and respecting the client's home as if it were your own are ways to demonstrate professionalism. If you break something, let them know right away and apologize. If you can fix the item with glue or hire someone to fix what you broke, do it. Take it upon yourself to get the item fixed properly. If an item can be replaced by purchasing it new or used, replace it right away or ASAP. This shows you have respect for their home. If you find underwear, sex toys, or items that are not of your concern, it's not your business, none of your business. If it's underwears, place it in the dirty close basket. If it's sex toys or other items, leave it nicely where they can be found by the owners and keep doing your cleaning job. No need to say anything to your clients. It's their house, and they should be able to do whatever they please in their house. Your job is to clean and take care of your own business. I text all my clients the day before each of their cleaning days to remind them that I will be there the following day to clean for them. Just a little reminder is very helpful to them, especially those that do monthly cleaning only. This consistency helps to keep a strong professional communication with my clients. Follow up and feedback. After completing a job, follow up with clients to ask if they were satisfied with the service. This shows that you care about their opinion and are open to improving. Example: sending a simple text or email to thank them and ask if everything was to their satisfaction can lead to repeat business and valuable feedback. I did a job that was supposed to be a one-time move-in cleaning, but because I sent them a thank you text and asked if the job was done to their liking, they decided to let me clean their kitchen area and 2 bathrooms. You can say this is a customized cleaning job where the client only wants certain areas cleaned. How to improving customer service skills. Practice active listening. When clients speak, give them your full attention. Repeat back key points to ensure you understand. Develop a clear and friendly communication style. Whether it's in person, over the phone, or via email, ensure that your tone is polite and professional. When sending a text, greet your clients always with the time of the day and their name they preferred to be called. Example: good morning, Mrs. Torrey. This client's name is Victoria, but prefers to be called Tori, her nickname. Some clients prefer to be called by their last name. For example, good afternoon, Mr. William. Seek feedback regularly. Encourage clients to share their thoughts on how you can improve your service and implement changes based on their suggestions. Even though I have years and years cleaning for my clients, I still text them a reminder, a thank you text, and I always let them know that if I didn't clean to their liking, if they can please let me know, and I'll fix the problem and go redo the job at no charge. Feedback helps you to progress. I hear this once, I had to agree with it. Practice makes progress, not practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and improve your customer skills. Lastly, training conflict resolution. Handling complaints with grace is key. There are online courses or resources that can help improve these skills. Years ago, on one of Steve Harvey's shows, I heard him talking about handling conflicts with customers. He mentioned how to waste your energy and time with complaints. He said 25% of your clients will complain. But these complaints are those that occur once in a while. It happens every now and then. But when you gracefully fix their concern, all is okay. You don't have to really sweat these clients and you can handle them. 50% of your clients are smooth sailing. They completely appreciate your hard work. So right away you can see that you're in good business because you have 75% of clients you can work with. Then he mentioned that you will run across 25% of clients that no matter what you do, you can't please them. They just want to waste your energy and time. Steve Harvey mentioned that these types of clients let go right away. Don't give in to their time, for it's not worth the money or one's time. It's better to focus your energy and time on where the right money is coming from. I think it was my sixth client. I will not say his name. I will just call him sixth client. I only had 5 clients, my first very new service business. So we cleaned for the 6th client, and he loved our cleaning but was so rude to us. He was upset because we took out the trash from all the rooms and bathrooms, and in the small trash cans, we replaced the bags with grocery store bags. His pantry was full of these small grocery store bags, the ones the stores used to bag our grocery in. I'm a big fan of recycling things, and I expressed that to him, but he didn't care. He insisted that I put trash bags that are accurately trash bags brand new from the store that I must provide. I told him bringing trash bags is not my responsibility and it's not part of the cleaning deal. Plus, recycling those bags are very helpful for him because they are just taking up space in his pantry and helpful for the environment. I figured out right away that he would be one of the 25%, that no matter what we did to please him, it would always be a conflict, because he even insisted on mopping his upstairs and downstairs whole house with 1 bucket of water. I like recycling and not being wasteful, especially with water, but 1 bucket of water to mop a whole house is not generous. We finished the job, and he said he loves our work. He insisted that we clean for him bi-weekly, but I told him that we will not be returning to clean for him, for he refused to provide trash bags, which was not part of the deal. Plus, he was just too much on measuring the water usages, how much we need to vacuum. It was just something I was not ready to put up with. I had another client. She was a very respectful doctor in one of the areas I cleaned. I was recommended to her by one of my clients who is a patient of hers. She loved our cleaning but complained about the most ridiculous things. She didn't like that my vacuum dust pan was clear, where she can see all her cat hair that we have vacuumed. Her shower area is huge, so one has to go in to scrub it down properly. She didn't like that we go in her shower area. She didn't like that her husband talked to us. So I told her, we cannot clean for you. I have never regretted not cleaning for these clients. I'm happy I learned that 25 to 50 to 25 client satisfactory rule from Steve Harvey. It actually works. Instead of stressing on pleasing clients that you know you can't please, move on and find better clients. You will have better energy and time to make money by having better clients. Even if it's just 2 clients that are hard to deal with, it's best to let them go and find better ones. Cleaning is already hard, and wasting your time on those types of clients just makes one job even harder. I hope you do feel that customer service is an area you can be comfortable with after you saw this video. Hopefully it is helpful and useful to you.